Hello, Mr. Koblev. This is again your friend Denis in Canada. Regarding double commander and searching using plugin, yesterday I was asking you the authorization to change something concerning the operation when we search with the plugin. So this video is to show the proof that I have tested the modification I would like to submit. So basically what I have here, here I have the older version and this is the new version that I'm proposing. So suppose I launch the old version and the new version. Suppose in the new version I will launch a search. Both versions have been launched from the same location, so they will have the same setup. So here, for example, this is the new version, and then here this will be the old version. So I will arrange things here. Give me a few seconds just to set up my stuff, and after that, okay. So here, boy. Okay. Merde. It's a little bit complicated. I will put it this way and launch this way. Okay. So here this is the old version. This is the new version, and this is with the other file manager. The purpose, my purpose here is to, if someone has set up here in the old version, it is to make sure that with the new version, loading the same setup would give the same result, and also that the field here in the new version, the operator field, match with the one that would use in the old, the other manager. Okay, that here it means the same thing, because so let's suppose I start. Okay, like you see, I have the same setup because the old version and the new version have been launched from the same location using the same configuration file. So let's suppose I load the first one, the first setup. Here I will load the first setup, and also in the new version I have modified that when I click load, it brings me to the plugin search if I have a checkbox there. So in the old one, it was using the plugin ID3, search for an artist, contain case John. So obviously, unfortunately, it was misleading, saying that it was searching for John as artist, case sensitive, because it was not. So in what I propose, it's written contain simply. So here it will be the same thing, artist, contain, and I will write John. So with the old version, if I click search that, we found 30 result. Here we click, we found 30 result. With the old with the other commander, poof, 30 result. If I load the second setup with both, so we see here it's contain case not contain case sensitive, but in fact, oh, I forgot to select the second one. So it was written not contain case sensitive, but in fact it was not contain insensitive. So I will select the same thing here, not contain, not contain. So if I launch the search, it found just one, it found just one, it found just one. I don't know if you observe, but regarding the search here, you see that the number is 31, 10, 21, 6. This is the expected one, and I have strategically arranged the file in the area where I'm searching that it gives this. Okay, so there is no place in the same type of search that I have the same number. So it helped me also to validate that what I'm doing is correct. So let's suppose I load this setup. Let's suppose I load the third setup. Let's suppose I load the third setup. Okay, no, it's not a setup there. So artist contain case sensitive John. contain case sensitive. So previously we had 10, 10, 10. So the idea here is to do the same thing for all these setup. I think I will play the video in accelerate. Not contain case, not contain case. So before it gives 21, before it gives 21, before it gives 21. After that, load. After that, load. So it means equal John Smith. Equal John Smith. Click start. It found 6. It found 6. It found 6. After that, load. Load. So not equal John Smith. Not equal John Smith. Launch. Launch. So it found 25. 25. 25. After that, the other one, load. The other one, load. Artist equal case sensitive John Smith. Equal case sensitive John Smith. Before it was giving 2 found. It still gives 2 found. The other commander, 2 found. After that, the last one for the text. So this one was different case sensitive. Different case sensitive. So the old setup gave us 29, the new one 29, the new one 29. After that, full text. So I wanted to test with that one because that one regarding the code, because right now what we have test these one. Oh, by the way, I have also replace the text with the language string. So someone will be able to translate that if you want to. So right now, so far, we have tested this one. So now with the full text, we will test this code. So let's suppose I go back again in my search thing. So I come here, so full text with house. I'm coming here, load. So here, full text contain house. So previously it was written contain case sensitive, but in fact it was not, so it was just contain. So if I click start, it found 5. It is finding 5. It's finding 5 with the old manager. Let's suppose I load this second setup. Load this second setup. Not contain house. Not contain house. So the old setup we found 26. The new setup 26. The new setup 26. So I load the other setup. Load. The other setup. Load. So this one was contain case sensitive. Contain case sensitive. I launch it. Found 3. Found 3. Found 3. After that, load the fourth setup with that one. The fourth setup with that one. So not containing house, but in fact it was not containing house case sensitive. So not containing case sensitive. Launch. Found 28. Found 28. Found 28. Okay, so now we have tested the multiple. Now we are ready to test the multiple choice, to test these one. Since I have redefined these one, it could be important to test them. So to test them, oh yeah, to test them I need to make my search in that other folder. So that's what I will do. Same thing for the new setup. Do my search in the other folder. Same thing for that one. Go in the other folder. So let's suppose I come here. Let's suppose I come here. Let's suppose I come there. Okay, it's not easy. So boolean load. So here ID3 full. Oh no, it will not be full text. Load. There is a mistake here. Okay, sorry about that. I made a little mistake when I made my setup, so now I corrected. So I have a setup here, boolean 6. This is to test this one. By the way, the problem I just have was not with the code. The problem was with the setup I saved. So now we'll test that this one is still working. I didn't touch it, so it's supposed to work. It should not be a problem with that. So here I will load the boolean 1 load, and then this one load. So this one is tag present equal true. So I will do the same here using plugin tag present equal instead of true and false, it is yes and no. So if I click search, it found 6. It found 6. It found 6. Let's load the setup here. Load that one. Then load that one. Oops, I forgot to change. So tag present equal false, so it will be equal no there. So I click start. Found 1. It found 1. It found 1. So now the other setup is the one with multiple choice. The one with multiple choice, it will be that one. So this one I have maybe redefined that. We will check that. So I click load. Click load to load the other setup. So here we changed the plugin. It was audio plugin channel number. So audio info channel. So it was equal joint stereo. So if we launch the search, we found 5. Found 5. Found 5. After that, we load the other one. After that, we load the other one. After that, okay, this one was not equal to joint stereo. Not equal to joint stereo. Launch the search, it found 2. It found 2. It found 2. After that, this is the boolean that were there. Sorry about that, they were there. Okay, so I don't have to test these one because these one were the one with the tag present and everything. Okay, okay, sorry about that, but anyway, it is working at least. Now I need to change directory, because to test with my other setup I need to be in the folder here, because we will do search with date. So this one was my new proposed version. Whoops, sorry about that. So now here too I will change folder. So this one was with the current version, and now with the other commander. So let's suppose I load a setup here, which will be the date. So see again, I have 8/23, 16, 7, 24, 15. They are all different. So I will load that setup. So I go to the other one, setup date load. So this one is year equal 2005. So in the plugin, using the ID3, the year equal 2005. So if I click launch, it found 8. It found 8. It found 8. After that, setup number 2, click load. Setup, click load. So this one is Oh, I forgot to change setup again, this one. So it means different from 2005, different from 2005. I launch, it found 23. It found 23, it found 23. After that, I load the other setup. I load the other setup. So this setup was greater than 2005, so I will choose greater than 2005. It found 16. It found 16. It found 16. After that, I load the other setup. This one. Load. After that, load. So it means that the year below 2005. So below 2005. Launch. Found 7. Found 7. Found 7. After that, the other is setup 5. Setup 5. Load it. So greater or equal to 2005. So launch it. It found 24, 24, 24. And now, the last one. Setup number 6, which is smaller or equal to 2005. Load. Smaller or equal to 2005. Smaller or equal to 2005. Found 15, 15, and 15. So, that's my kind of proof that the newer version, by using the more appropriate interpretation for the sign here regarding case sensitivity or not, that would match with what we have in the other commander. I have made the proof with all the setup that we have the correct expected result. So I hope you will consider my modification. Thank you.